Another one?
Blizzard warning in effect from 10 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Monday. What blizzard conditions expected? Total snow accumulations between 12 and 18 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour Sunday afternoon and evening. Where? Benton, Sherburne, Stearns, Wright, Anoka, Carver, Chisago, Dakota, Hennepin, Isanti, Ramsey, Scott, Washington, and Goodhue counties. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 4 a.m. Monday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Widespread blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Call 511 or visit 511mn.org for road conditions. Repeating, the blizzard warning has been extended until 4 a.m. Monday and expanded to include the following counties in Minnesota: Anoka, Benton, Carver, Hennepin, Isanti, Sherburne, Stearns, and Wright. Historic March winter storm on track.